Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. In this video we got a angle grinder by Tolsen. So let's start unboxing this. So this is the Tolsen box. You can see the model number. I don't remember it. So after we unbox it, we can see that there is so many stuff. Firstly, you can see the protection for like using of this, then a handle, and then a wrench for tightening up the angle grinder, and then finally there is the angle grinder and some other stuff like warranty, guarantee, paperwork, and that's it. So let's see how is this. Wow, the plastic quality is very premium and looks very amazing, and the color combination also kinda fits, and this is how you can just tighten the top. So right now I'm gonna show you using this. I have bought this only for like sanding my woods because I don't do work with steel or other stuff, so this is what I do. So this is what I show. So this is a sand disc that I bought from other place. So yeah, let me try it and then I'm gonna use it to show you guys. So I'm just clamping up a wood and let's try to connect the power with the electricity, and yeah, let's try to on. Damn, it feels really amazing on the hand, like you have to be very strong to handle this. And don't forget to like on this video. So yeah, let me show you how to turn it on again. Alright, so let me take it off, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel for amazing videos like this, like various types of unboxing videos.